Hello guys, welcome back to Bensama channel. Here I am back again with another video for our most beloved game, Ragnarok M. On this occasion, I would like to discuss another event that is related to the previous bargain shop, Cat Backyard, an event where you can feed a black cat with some dried fish. When the dried fish reach some total amount, you can receive some gift. Alright, without any further ado, let's check the event. This is the event. At 100 dried fish, you're gonna get some repair shard. At 200 dried fish, you can claim card gacha voucher. 500 dried fish, you can claim dragon deeds for your inheritance skill. 1500 dried fish is our main target card selection box, where you can select and claim even alien card up to alien angeling. At 3000 dried fish is a 6-person mount with 50% move speed. To get dried fish, you can get it from buying bargain box. Each box will give you 5 fish, so it means 20 BCC equals 5 fish. There is also server-wide progress reward, where you can claim it time to time. Another option is to buy a special package by using real money. These packages will give you dried fish and BCC directly. For F2P, you can get up to 370 dried fish from the event. Correct me in comment if I am wrong. By the way, I choose Devil Governor from the card selection box. I choose this card for extra Zenny, which I need to build new class. Alright guys, that is the end of my video reviewing Cat Backyard event. What do you guys think? Is it worth it? Please comment down below. Thanks for watching guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye guys.